Guys, running Kimono. So this is my Walgreens haul today, and believe it or not, it was free plus a $9.06 moneymaker. I'm going to explain all these deals one by one, and if you might have received the $7 of Walgreens Cash when you spend $50, this is $50 of merch, not including the photo, and it was just fantastic. So I'll just explain that, in a smaller amount and how I got it to work. But this is just absolutely terrific. It's called Making Something Out of Nothing, and that's today's video. And then over at Rite Aid, we have these little freebies with these little Russell Stover's chocolate peanut butter eggs. We'll talk about that. And a weather report for you guys. Beautiful day out there, sunny and stuff. We don't have a single kitty to find. I think they're all out there hunting for mice, which is great for me because I don't have to see the mice. And kind of something I want to touch on, because a lot of people will probably wonder. I had about 150 of you reach out to me in the last 24 hours where I've just kind of, I'm taking a break from Instagram as a personal choice. Lots of drama going on over there with everything going on in the world, and it's not just the last week of very rude comments, but it is 6 months of just build up, and people, I could say that's a table out there and people will say, no, it's a chair. It's stuff like that nonstop, and I think hurt people hurt, and I'm not going to share names of people who are, writing disrespectful and rude things. One lady actually lost her account. I don't know if Instagram deleted it or she deleted her account, but it's just pretty, awful stuff, and I just want to take a little break. A lot of people have been just stepping away from social media, and it's just people who are just, is a lot of people who are upset out there, and they're just ready to argue with everybody and anybody. And it's not only me, it's other people in the comments, and I've tried to do this, I've tried to do that, and I think the best thing to do is just to say peace and just to go do your own thing for a little bit, and that's okay. So I know a lot of you really love the posts over there. Just look for me here on YouTube, and when I'm ready I will come back, but I think I'm just going to be gone for a little bit, and it's just my choice. So let's talk about Walgreens. And the first deal that we're going to talk about is this, the gorgeous 8x10 photo. What you need to do is use the code MARCH8X10, 1 per store card, a free print. So how lovely is that? Okay, so this is my haul today, and sorry it's all over the table. So this is 50 bucks of merch, and you know how every time I get that friggin' booster that's like $7 of Walgreens Cash when you spend 50, and I'm like, I'm not doing it, I'm not rich, and then I'm like, oh, I changed my mind. Maybe it's a good booster for me, and I just had no idea. But you remember last week there was a little offer to get those hand sanitizers by Dove for like 96 cents. It was really cheap. So at the very least, if you did that deal last week and got one of those e-receipts, photograph it to the Fetch Rewards app. And how it works is when you picked up your order, you got a receipt, a paper one in the bag. So you would just photograph it to the Fetch Rewards app. Well, they have this collaborative offer, and I never photographed it last week because I'm like 96 cents. I'm not going to get very much for it. But they have a collaborative one that if you spend $30 on Unilever products, Tresemme, Axe, Dove, you will get back $10 in Fetch Rewards points. So I didn't see it on my account, so I thought I didn't get it. But if you just photograph a Walgreens receipt and buy these Unilever products, it starts popping. So at the very least, guys, because I think you have up to a week to photograph older receipts, look through your coupon binder, whatever, find that receipt and photograph it to Fetch. Today I got like $19 of Axe. I got $10 of Tresemme. With last week, I got my 10 bucks. So it made this a $9.06 moneymaker after everything's said and done. Now, I know a lot of you probably won't do a $50 basket, so I'm going to show this item like deal by deal and then as the overall basket. But this is just absolutely fantastic to have a $9.06 moneymaker. It certainly made my day. So the first dealio that we're going to talk about is with the Irish Spring and the 2 Tresemmes. Now, I had never planned to do this deal. But I actually forgot my Irish Spring coupons at home. I'm that awesome today that I just was having one of those days. So, but with digital coupons, I still made it happen. There was a $1 digital that showed up for this guy today. And then for the 2 hairsprays, there is a 5 off of 2 that actually came off. I also had a 4 off of 2, but the 5 off of 2 came off. So lucky for me. So these 2 are 2 for $10, and this guy is $4.99. So for the 3, it's $14.99. The 5 off of 2 digital for this came off. The $1 for this one came off. So the new price is $8.99. You get back $5 in Walgreens Cash, so it makes it $3.99 for the 3, or $1.30 something per item. Photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app, because that will track for that spend 30, get $10 back in points with the Fetch app. Absolutely fantastic. And so these are the dates, guys. It's from March the 14th to April the 10th. So you have a pretty large window. And how this typically works is once they run out of these rebates, but it's already been a week and I still got mine, this is terrific. Anytime you're buying Unilever, photograph it to the Fetch Rewards app for extra points. And if you've not signed up for this app, today is the day. Check out the link in the notes. Sign up with my code. You'll be given $2 or 2,000 points when you submit your first receipt. It could be a pack of gum you bought last week or something you bought this morning over at Walgreens. It's a terrific app, and this just made my haul today, this little rebate. Great little deal is with the this Gillette Mach 3, or you can get the ladies one alternative. This one is $7.99, subtracting a $3 digital. You're paying $4.99, getting back a $4 register reward. There it is, making this guy 99 cents. So I have 4 of these Axe dry sprays, and they were a little bit more at my store. Ooh, and they're alive too. So they are $6.49 for the first. The second one is $3.24, $6.49, $3.24, for a total of $19.47. I had 2 BOGO free coupons from that March Unilever book, subtracting $6.49 off of 2 of them. I got back this $4 register reward. So the final price point for this was $2.49 for the 4, 62 cents each. However, that larger, when you spend 30, get back $10 in Fetch Rewards points, this ate up a huge amount of it. So that was fantastic for me. Last thing I got was the Colgate, $3.99 for 2, that's $7.98. 3 off of 2 digital coupon, I paid $4.98 and got back $4 of Walgreens Cash. We're going to do this deal where you were going to do every little item on its own. Yes, you can use Walgreens Cash to pay down your balance. Now, if you're going to use a booster, like a paper one of like, you know, spend 30, get back $7 in Walgreens Cash, or the digital one like I had, which was spend 50, get $7 of Walgreens Cash, you have to pay cash for the balance. So credit card, debit card, pennies, whatever you have, cash bills, don't use your Walgreens Cash or you will not earn it. And a lot of people in the comments will say, yes, you can. Yes, you can. if you want to do that, fine. But if you have to call customer service and explain what you were doing, they'll probably side on, well, you did the following and sorry. And how many times have they given you a difficult time? It's just not worth the headache. So what I did, all of this, again, jogging through it, these $14.99 for the two Tresemes and the Irish Spring, $7.99 for the razor, $19.47 for the axe, and $7.98 for that. So my total was like $50 and some change. I'll show you guys the receipt. And then I had 2 BOGO frees come off for the axe, a $3 for this, a 5 off of 2, $1, and a $3. After all of those coupons came off, guys, I paid $25 and 44 cents cash out of pocket. And then I got back $16.50 in Walgreens Cash. I got back $7 for spending $50. I got back $4 for this, and then I got $5 for this, and an extra 50 cents for, you know, the 1% or whatever it is. And then I got back this $4 register reward and this $4 register reward. And then I photographed my receipt to the Fetch Rewards app, and it was like, you are like 50 cents short from getting your 10 bucks. And I remembered last week I bought that Dove hand sanitizer. So I just took a quick photo of that, and then I got my $10. So after everything was said and done, this was free 6-cent money maker. So I am so thrilled by this. Everything worked out beautifully and perfectly for me, and very delighted with this haul. So you are able to do that spend 30, get back 10 twice per Fetch Rewards account. So I might find some more Tresemme and Axe this week, because that's just a killer deal and I'm absolutely in love with that, just to get a money maker going with that. So good luck with this one, guys, and hopefully my breakdown was crystal clear. Over at Rite Aid, we have the freebie of the week, which are these Russell Stouffer's eggs. I did it on mine and my husband's store card. So these are 2 for $1. You can roll your bonus cash if you wish, and you'll earn $1. So it makes them completely free, and you can do it once per store card. So you're done. I'm done on both of my store cards. I did these 2, 1 store card, these 2 on 1 store card. And these peanut butter cream eggs are harder to find, so I was happy to find 2 of them today. So as always, guys, have a good one. If you're out there shopping, be safe and be kind to each other. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.